Good morning, class. Today we're going to practice asking and answering WH questions. The topic is simple. It's about trip. If you have a question, raise your hand. Oh, where are we going on our trip? Great question. We're going to a beautiful beach called Paradise. Who has another question? How long will the trip last? Another excellent question. The trip will last for 5 days and 4 nights. Who else has a question? What activities can we do there? Good question, Sarah. At Paradise, you can go snorkeling, swimming, sunbathing, and even try some water sports like jet skiing. Let's hear another question. Who will be our tour guide? That's an important question, Patrick. Our tour guide will be Mr. X. He is a knowledgeable and experienced guide. One more question, please. How much does the trip cost? An excellent question to consider. The total cost for the trip is $500 per person, which includes accommodation, transportation, and some meals. Whoa, well done, students.